This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Update the Roblox client now and close overlays and macro tools that hijack input. Once done, open the developer console in-game to capture movement errors and note any input warnings. You'll also switch off gamepad input in settings so only keyboard/mouse are active. This concentrates troubleshooting to one system. It reduces variable conflicts and lets you reproduce the movement bug reliably before applying fixes. You must now perform the core fix. Disable alternate input sources in settings, then run a small script that clears custom user input service bindings and restores default controls. Type the script into Studio or a trusted plugin, execute it, and watch the developer console for binding events. Afterward, enter play solo and reproduce the movement. Check whether /back and strafe respond correctly. If movement is restored, the issue was custom binding interference. If not, finish by reinstalling the Roblox client if clearing bindings didn't stick. Use the official uninstaller and restart Windows to ensure no driver hooks remain. Then reset in-game controls to defaults and save that clean profile under a new name. Finally, log in with a fresh account to confirm the bug isn't tied to account-specific settings. If movement still fails, the developer console will show persistent input errors. Capture those logs and focus next on hardware drivers or conflicting software as the likely culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.